guys, what's going on? Thanks for coming back to my channel. Today I have this look for you guys. This is gonna be a perfect look for Valentine's Day. It is soft, it is simple, it is sweet, and I'm so excited to share with you guys how I got it. So keep on watching if you'd like to see how I get this look for Valentine's Day. So the first color that I'm gonna go ahead into is going to be this color right here, and this color is called Magical. Dust it off and then apply that right into my transition area, right up here and all over basically. Then I'm gonna go ahead into another color, and that color is going to be Shooting Star, which looks like that. It's a little bit darker. Then I'm gonna go into this color right here. So this one is called Potion. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that and apply that into the crease as well, but very softly and precisely with a smaller blending brush. So it's like, it's a little bit more precise, but you're still able to blend. I'm gonna go into this color right here, which is a light color. This one is called Moony. I'm gonna go into this color. It's called Twitter Painted. This one is a Super Shock Shadow, and I'm just gonna get that all over my finger and apply that right on top of that color that we just put down. Really just kind of define the crease a bit more. Now what you're gonna do is go with that darker color right here. I'm gonna go into that with pencil brush, so right on top of it, and I'm just going to apply this to the ends of the eye, the outer part, and keep it just towards the end of the eye, not going in further. And then now I'm gonna go into that Potion color once more. Gonna grab that and run that right along the bottom of my eye. Just like so. With another small brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and get this color right here. This one is called Sweet Dreams. Just gonna get that and put that right into the inner corner and like right at the beginning of the eye. Like right under here and right into the inner corners. If you wanted to, you can go in with just lashes or you can go in with liner. The liner that I'm gonna use on the bottom is black. I'm not gonna use a light color. You can absolutely use a light color, but I'm gonna go for this today just because a lot of my looks have that light waterline color in it, the Secret Boudoir. And I want to make this a little bit more flirty, so we're gonna go into a black. I'm just gonna go back into this brown color right here and just define the ends a little bit. I'm just gonna contour a bit of my face. With that first color, a little bit of that second color mixed together. And I'm just really like contouring it into a neon. The blush that I'm going to use today is Douceur from Nars, and I'm just going to grab that onto a little brush and then apply that right onto the cheek. It's a very natural blush. You really have to kind of get it onto your brush to see it, especially if you're tan, but once you get it on, oh my god, it's perfect. It's like the most perfect flushed color. Now what we're going to do is go into the Fenty highlighter, and I'm just going to grab that side and Mean Money and then apply that right on top of my cheekbones. Go with this KIKO liner in 301. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this Too Faced Melted Latex right on top for a nice glossy lip. So I hope you guys enjoyed me doing this look. It was so easy and so fast and like foolproof and just like the perfect go-to look for Valentine's Day. Something very nice and soft. If you guys are going on a date or going to the movies or going to dinner, this look, you guys, looks perfect in candlelight settings. So if you guys want to recreate this look, go ahead and take a picture and tag me in it on Instagram. I would love to see your recreation of this look because it's so easy and it's so fun and cute and simple, and I love things like that, and I love to share things like that with you guys. Go ahead and check out my Instagrams. It is at Reesiibabe and at ReesiMUA, and make sure you subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe before you leave, you guys, alright? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in another video.